I'm Dr. Sangeeta Lenka, working as a principal scientist at ICR, Indian Institute of Soil Science. Carbon is a key element for existence of life on Earth, and this carbon exists in different forms, in different components of the ecosystem. For example, in the soil, it exists in two forms, like the soil organic carbon and the inorganic forms in the carbonates of calcium and magnesium. And in the atmosphere, if you see, this carbon is in the gaseous form, in the carbon dioxide and methane. They are in fact, two important greenhouse gases which regulate the global temperatures. All of us know these greenhouse gases are very important in maintaining the climate regulations. And if we look at this carbon, in the nature, it exists in a carbon cycle. And our human life is, in fact, directly dependent on the plant life on the biosphere and the soil microbes. So this is how I think the carbon is the backbone of life on the earth. All my research projects aim to understand the dynamics of soil carbon and nitrogen in the soil, the turnover it takes in the soil, and the related soil quality parameters, the greenhouse gas measurements, and the mitigations from the soybean wheat cropping systems, and the climate change studies. In fact, I'm trying to understand what are the key predictor variables and to identify the key predictor variables which increase the soil carbon sequestration and reduces the greenhouse gas emissions from the agricultural soils. For the past 16 years as an agriculture research scientist, I have been working extensively in developing the soil carbon conservation technologies in vertisoils of central India, especially in the soybean wheat and maize wheat cropping systems, which, for example, like low-till farming or the integrated use of nutrients, the fertilizer management, how the residue return is impacting the soil carbon storage and the nitrogen dynamics, and the feedback on the greenhouse gas measurements. The outcomes of my research work, it helps the farmers to maintain and boost yield. It also increases its profits while reversing the land degradation, because soil carbon is a very good indicator for land degradation, and it helps to protect the environment. It equips the policy makers with responding to growing challenges of climate change. This soil organic carbon and the carbon as such is very much important for a healthy soil. And we all know that this healthy soil produces healthy life with nutritional security. That is what I would like to urge upon, and thank you all.